When it comes to home improvements in Slidell, one of the most important yet often overlooked aspects is door installation. Whether you're upgrading your front door for enhanced curb appeal, replacing an old entry door for better security, or installing a new interior door to create a more functional living space, professional door installation can make all the difference. Here's why entrusting your door installation to professionals is crucial for homeowners in Slidell. Ensuring quality and precision. The installation of a door may seem straightforward, but it requires skill, precision, and an understanding of the complexities involved. Professional door installers have the expertise to handle various types of doors, whether it's a traditional wooden door, modern fiberglass, or steel doors. They know exactly how to measure the door frame, align the door correctly, and install it to ensure it opens and closes smoothly. A poorly installed door can lead to numerous issues, including drafts, poor insulation, and even security concerns. For example, if the door is not properly aligned, it could create gaps that let in air, making your home less energy efficient. Professional installers use the right tools and techniques to make sure the door fits perfectly within the frame, offering better insulation and efficiency. Security and safety. In Slidell, where extreme weather conditions and unpredictable storms are a common occurrence, door security and durability are vital. Whether you're installing an exterior or an interior door, it's essential that it provides optimal security and withstands the elements. A poorly installed door is an open invitation for break-ins or storm damage. Professionals are trained to install doors with the proper security features, including heavy-duty locks and reinforced frames. They can advise you on the best doors for storm protection, helping to choose materials and designs that offer superior protection against the weather while also keeping your home secure. This peace of mind is something DIY installations just can't guarantee. Cost savings in the long run. While hiring a professional to install your door might seem like an added expense upfront, it can save you a great deal in the long run. If you attempt to install the door yourself, there's a risk of making costly mistakes, like damaging the door, the frame, or the surrounding walls. These mistakes can lead to additional repair costs, and in some cases, you may need to replace the door entirely. Professional door installers can help you avoid these unnecessary costs by ensuring the job is done right the first time. They also have access to high-quality materials at better prices than most homeowners can find at retail stores. Additionally, a professionally installed door is likely to last longer and require fewer repairs, which will save you money on maintenance down the road. Compliance with local codes and regulations. Every community, including Slidell, has its own set of building codes and regulations that must be followed when installing doors. These codes are designed to ensure safety, efficiency, and durability in construction. A professional door installer is familiar with the local codes and can make sure that your installation meets all legal requirements. By hiring a professional, you can avoid costly fines or the need to make costly adjustments to the door later on. Professionals also understand the specific needs of Slidell homeowners, including the need for storm-resistant features due to the region's weather patterns. Improved aesthetic appeal. Doors play a significant role in your home's overall aesthetic, particularly your front door, which is often the first thing visitors notice. A door that's improperly installed can detract from your home's curb appeal and even create a mismatched look. Professionals can help you choose the right style, material, and finish that complement your home's design. Moreover, with expert installation, the door will fit perfectly within your home's architecture, enhancing its visual appeal rather than detracting from it. Whether you're aiming for a modern, traditional, or rustic look, professionals can help bring your vision to life with precise installation. Time and convenience. Door installation can be a time-consuming process, especially if you're not familiar with the steps involved. A professional installer can complete the job much more quickly and efficiently, allowing you to focus on other tasks or enjoy your day without interruption. The time saved is often worth the cost of professional installation, especially if you want to avoid the frustration and hassle of DIY installation. Final thoughts. When it comes to something as crucial as your home's doors, opting for professional installation in Slidell is always the smart choice. With the right expertise, your door will be secure, efficient, and aesthetically pleasing. By hiring an experienced installer, you ensure that the job is done correctly, saving time, money, and potential headaches in the long run. Whether it's for security, efficiency, or curb appeal, professional door installation is an investment in the overall health and beauty of your home.